Welcome back to Budget Scenery Workshop, and as you can see I have coated the base layer of my castle project, and I've also built a kind of courtyard out of foam board, and all these individual tiles, they were little bits of cardboard I cut up and just glued on individually. It took a while, but yeah, I'm really pleased with it. And I'll show you the other bits I've been working on. And as you can see here, these are the 4 outer walls. I've just coated them again in Mod Podge. But if you don't have Mod Podge, or it's a bit too expensive, obviously you can just use PVA glue with black paint or whatever colour paint you'd like your base coat to be. Just be aware that whenever you add paint to glue or Mod Podge, it will obviously weaken the actual, glue. So next I think I'll be working on the tower that's going to fit in the corner of the actual gate house wall, and obviously it'll be, I'm not sure how tall it'll be. I'm thinking possibly about as tall as this tower here, which is obviously leading from the bridge to the bridge tower, I guess, and then there's going to be another bridge here. So yeah, so possibly between like 5 and 7 inches, and it's going to sit here on the corner wall tower. Okay, and that's what I'm going to be working on today. Bye for now, guys. painting and texturing, I think I'm finished. Obviously, I don't know why I cut out doors in this. I could have just made them out of cardstock or whatever, but I think I was going to detail the inside as well. But as I went on, I was like, no, I don't think I will. So when you saw me doing the insides, as you can see through there, that's just support, so it's, you know, sturdy. And when I coat it in Mod Podge, it'll be even more sturdier. But as you can see, I've gone around all of it and then kind of like stones or, you know, whatever weird bits of cardboard, all the windows, and I did eventually cover up the bottom there. My thinking behind that was it was going to be kind of modular, but I didn't take into consideration this isn't going to be right up against the wall. There's going to need a walkway. So yeah, so this walkway is going to obviously carry on all the way around, around the walls, and then I think after that it'll just be painting the entire thing. I may do one more video for the bridges. So obviously I'm going to need, you know, one bridge that goes to the main wall to the gatehouse tower, and then one from the gatehouse tower to the ramp. Anyway, just let me know in the comments what you think. Don't forget to hit that like button, and please do subscribe if you haven't already done so. And I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye for now, guys.